One of the things I'm somewhat on the warpath with is what seems to me simple foolishness. I used to call it stupidity, but I realized that that has a kind of a genetic ring to it that honors what I'm dissing too much. I mean, stupidity, if you're stupid, you can claim it's fate. Say, I'm stupid. What can I do about it? Not my fault. Talk to my parents. But foolish, it's not your parents' fault if you're foolish. Foolishness is something we have to take our own responsibility for. And there is a great deal of foolishness around and about. And it's dragging the boat because we have real problems and real opportunities. Neither the problems nor the opportunities are served by foolishness.